Fail once, try again. Fail twice, try again. We're never giving up on this channel, okay? All right, so let's talk today about failing. You know, like, you start a weight loss program, you start the hormone therapy, you start the hydration plan, you know, drinking enough water for the day, or you start the I'm going to go to bed early plan for your sleep hygiene, and you fail, okay? Something happened, you fell off the wagon, you ate the ice cream, you ate the chocolate, you drank the alcohol, the margarita was calling your name, you know, whatever it is, right? You fell off, you failed. You just have to try again. I know some of you have watched some of my videos where I talked about the fact that I wrote a book in 2012 on learn more, know more, weigh less, okay? Know more, weigh less. I wrote the book. The book that I wrote when I first lost the most significant amount of weight that I ever lost, which was at that time about 40 pounds, right? And I lost that weight in, you know, in a short amount of time, about 3 months time frame. And I was so excited because the protocol that I learned about at that time that helped me to lose that weight was, even though very, very difficult, very, very restrictive, but it worked. And as long as I worked it, that plan worked for me. And I got that weight off. I wrote the book because I was going to use it to help my patients that were still struggling with weight at the time. So I released the book and I used that information to help hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of patients, right? And as time went on, I fell into some stressful time, you know, life, business, work, family, things happen. There was a lot of stress for a period of time. And during that period, I started to put weight back on. And it just seemed like I was trying to get back on that plan, and I just could not stay on it. Like, I kept failing. Like, I would be on it for like a week. Maybe I'll get through 2 weeks, 10 days. It was 10 days seemed to be the mark. I'll get to day 10 and it was just like, oh, I can't do it. You know, I'll just give up, fall off the wagon. I'll be like, I'll start over again. I'll start over again. And during this time, I was putting weight on and gained all those same 40 pounds back, and was kind of like almost disgusted with myself. Like, you know, how can you be the weight loss doctor with, you know, overweight weight loss doctor, right? You're the fat doctor telling people how to lose weight. It's just, you know, you start to even feel worse because you're not just the average patient that just needs to lose 40 pounds now. You're the expert that knows better, that's written a book on the topic, that's now regained weight. You know, so I had to struggle with that failure. But guess what? I had to try again. I had to do it again because I could not live with the fact that I know what to do, but I wasn't doing it, okay? So I had to get to the point where I said, you know what? Today's the day. We are going to do this, right? And I got back on the wagon and did it, okay? I lost the weight again. And I shared with my patients, yes, I had to use additional tools that I had to learn. That sometimes when we lose weight using a certain method, what we don't realize is our body also knows that protocol. And when you try to use that same protocol again, it's going, I've seen this before. I ain't doing it. Okay? Because guess what? Your body is designed to store fat as a reserve. It literally thinks that you are in a famine and I've got to preserve this fat so that in case you don't feed me for months and months and months, I will have this energy storage that I can tap into and survive with. So the body learns a lot of mechanisms to really lock your fat down when you've been through a restrictive eating plan. And so all of this works against you when you yo-yo diet, right? Because the more you yo-yo diet, the more your body has learned so many techniques of locking your fat down. And so to break it the next time becomes even harder, right? So what I'm trying to say is you're not going to give up though, because yes, your body gets smarter with time, but But you also have to get smarter. You get smarter with your tools. You get smarter with your knowledge. You seek guidance, right? You get support so that you can break that hold that your body now has on your fat, right? So that is an example of just failing and getting back up. Failing and getting back up, okay? So as you know, yes, I was able to lose the weight again, and I'm gonna stay on that path. Look, am I saying I'm never gonna gain weight again, gain weight back again? I don't know. I don't know the future. But if it does happen, guess what? I know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get back up again. I'm going to do it again, okay? So I wanna use this to encourage you. It doesn't matter. Yes, it's hard. Yes, you have to try again, okay? That is the moral of the story. Like, it doesn't matter how much pounds you need to lose. You can do it, okay? And your body will learn. But you have to learn more than your body. Use more tools, use more tricks to get to the result. And that's what this channel is about. We're going to teach you all the tricks. We're going to teach you all the ways that it needs to be done. So come on this journey, click subscribe, join our free VIP group where we go into more details, what tools, what tricks, what is in the bag that we can use to get on top of it, okay?